Find the trigonometric functions of angle 210 degree, angle XOP equal to theta and theta equal to 210. 210 means 180 plus 30 means this is 180 and this is 30 degree, means this angle is in third quadrant. This is unit circle, therefore distance between O and P is 1 unit. Coordinates of point P are, now here x coordinate, this angle is 30, 60 and 90 degree, and opposite side of 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is 1 and half of 1 is half, and remaining is root 3 upon 2. Distance between PM equal to half and OM equal to root 3 upon 2. Therefore coordinates of point P are negative 1 upon x coordinate is root 3 upon 2, and y coordinate is half, negative half. Here both coordinates are negative because x on negative x-axis and here also negative y-axis. Therefore both coordinates are negative because this point P lies in third quadrant. इथे हा बिंदू थर्ड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये असल्यामुळे ह्याचे एक्स निर्देशक आणि वाय निर्देशक हे दोन्ही ऋण आहेत. Now by definition sin theta means y coordinate of point P is negative 1 upon 2, negative half, cos 110 means x coordinate of point P means negative root 3 upon 2, tan 210 means sin upon cos, sin 110 upon cos 210 upon cos 210 means negative 1 upon 2 upon negative root 3 upon 2. Negative positive 1 upon root 3. Now cosec 210 means 1 upon sin means 1 upon negative half means negative 2. Sec means 1 upon cos means 1 upon negative root 3 upon 2 means negative 2 upon root 3. Cot 210 means 1 upon tan 210 or cos upon sin, cos 210 upon sin 210 degree. Cos 210 is negative root 3 upon 2 and sin 210 is negative half, negative positive 2 cancel, answer is negative 3. Cot 210 is negative 3. तरी आपण सगळे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स म्हणजे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज फाइंड आउट केलेले आहेत 210 डिग्रीचे. साइन 210 बरोबर आहे ऋण 1/2, निगेटिव्ह हाफ, कॉस 210 इक्वल टू निगेटिव्ह रूट 3 अपॉन 2, टॅन 210 इक्वल टू पॉझिटिव्ह 1 अपॉन रूट 3, कोसेक 210 इक्वल टू निगेटिव्ह 2, sec 210 equal to negative 2 upon root 3, cot 210 equal to root 3. Find the trigonometric functions of angle 300 degree. Here theta is 300 degree and this angle is greater than 270 degree and less than 360 degree. Therefore this angle lies in fourth quadrant. 90 up to this angle is 90, 180, 270, 270 plus 30 means 300, 300. Now is here theta equal to 300. Theta is 300. And this angle is positive angle. Up to this there is 270. up to this there is 270. 270 plus 30 means 300. Here is 30. Here point P is on unit circle. First here we find coordinates of point P. Now draw perpendicular from P on x-axis. X-axis. Now this angle is 30, means this remaining angle is 60. This angle is 90 and this remaining is 30 degree. Now this triangle is 30, 60, 90 degree. Therefore, this distance between P and M is root 3 upon 2 and O and M is half. Here y-axis is negative, therefore negative root 3 upon 2. X is positive, therefore coordinate of point P are half and negative root 3 upon 2. Coordinate of point P are x coordinate is half and y coordinate is negative root 3 upon 2. Here we take negative y coordinate. Why? Because this is on y, negative y axis. Here negative y axis and positive x axis. Therefore x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Now by definition sin theta is equal to y coordinate. Y coordinate is negative root 3 upon 2. Therefore sin 300 is also negative root 3 upon 2. Cos 300 means x coordinate of point P, that is half. Tan 300 means sin upon cos 300 means negative root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2. 2 cancel, negative root 3. Cosec 300 means 1 upon 300. Sin 300 means 1 upon negative root 3 upon 2 means negative 2 upon root 3. Sec 300. Sec 300 means 1 upon cos 300 means 1 upon half means 2. Cot 300 means 1 upon tan 300 or cos 300 upon sin 300 means half upon negative root 3 upon 2. 2 cancel, negative 1 upon root 3. Cot 300 equal to negative 1 upon root 3. Find the trigonometric functions of angle 330 degree. Now this angle is less than 360 degree and greater than 270 degree. Therefore, angle lies in fourth quadrant where x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. 90, 180, 270 and 270 degree plus 60 degree means 330 degree.